Let me say this is a very important moment for Antigua and Barbuda. There are a combination of factors that have brought us to where we are, which is a good place. We must not overlook the importance, and I'll say this upfront, of the country adhering to the protocols established. There is no doubt also that vaccines have played a major role in this development, where we have no active cases in Antigua and Barbuda the first time in several months. We must also give praise to the many citizens of Antigua and Barbuda who have stepped forward and who have accepted that vaccine is the solution to fighting COVID along with the protocols that we have established over the past several months. I would also like to take the opportunity to thank the frontline workers, as well as my cabinet colleagues, who work tirelessly every week to ensure that we design the appropriate protocols and policies to bring us where we are. And that is good news. But I must caution that we must not make the mistake of thinking that we have overcome COVID. We have not. The people of Antigua and Barbuda will have now to see the importance, even more so than before, of their commitment. And this commitment must be seen in the long term, not only in this moment. And so the program of vaccination in Antigua and Barbuda must be intensified. Those who are waiting for a particular vaccine or those who are hesitant must understand that they are not doing themselves any justice, and certainly not doing the society of Antigua and Barbuda any justice. And so while we celebrate this achievement, it's not time for gloating. It is time to reflect on the positive things that we have done over the past several months and be recommitted to continue to do the things that have brought us where we are. Every week we meet in cabinet, we assess the conditions of COVID in Antigua and Barbuda. And as the Prime Minister has said many times before, we tried to strike a good balance between the measures that are designed to protect the citizens and residents of Antigua and Barbuda and some adjustments that give people a little more comfort in carrying out their daily duties. We are not going to rush into any rash decision. We are going to deliberate, as we have done in the past, soberly, and whatever we do will be consistent with the objective of striking a balance so that people can get as close as possible to normalcy, but at the same time, do not erode the gains that we have made over the past several months. And one of the things you must consider is this: the measures that have brought us here are measures that we should continue to employ in fighting COVID. And so I am sure that there will be some relaxation, but it will not be at the expense of the success that we've achieved so far, and certainly not taking unnecessary risk.